Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, my lovely student. Today, inshallah, I will teach you Super Goal 4 for the second intermediate grade in the second semester. So, I want all of you to open your book now on page 8. Today, inshallah, we will take a writing. Okay, look what do we have here. Look back at the reading on page 7. What do you the plot faced pronouns or possessive adjectives refer to? So look what do we have here. As you can see, we have here some words or some pronouns. Look here, there, this, them, she, he, them, his, and her, and we have here, of course, it. So we will look at them, then we will know. So look here, or possessive adjective refer to. So we have here it in the title. Look at the it in the title. Here it refers to what? It refers actually to the house, works, or to the chores. Okay, so we write here house, work, or we can write chores. Number 2, there. There here it refers to what? Look here. We use there here to refers to the teens. Okay, look, on the other hand, teens feel their parents. Look here, there it refers to teens. Number 3, sorry, there in paragraph 2 refers to what? Look, what do we have here? Here, there refers to parents, to the parents, okay? So we will write here parents. Number 4, this in paragraph 2 refers to what? Look here, we have here this. It refers to a major problem, okay? This usually leads to unnecessary conflict between teens and their parents. So this, it refers to a major problem. Then, number 5, them in paragraph 3 refers to what? Them. Then, in the paragraph 3 refers to the chores, okay? On a list of chores together, should teens have a freedom to decide when to do them, okay? Them like chores. Then, number 6, she. She here, it refers to what? As you can see here, she, where is it? Yeah, she here, it refers to daughter. My daughter and I make a list of chores each week. That way she can organize her time for school work. So she here, it refers to daughter. Then, number 7, he. He here, in paragraph 4, it refers to what? Look, he, it refers to a parent, okay? Parents. And we have here them, it refers to teens, okay? Teens. It makes teens responsible for earning their money rather than just simply giving them an allowance. So them here, it refers to teens. Then we have a his. One mom's son wants to do his chores after he goes out with his friends. So his here, it refers to the son. Also here, her daughter. So her, it refers to the mother. Another mother only lets her daughter. So her, it refers to the mother. As you can see here, daughter, a parent, teens, sons, and mothers. So then look, what do we have here? Writing corner. Subject and object pronouns and possessive adjective help to link sentences in the writing. Look, the first one, pronouns and possessive adjectives link ideas in sentences. So look here, most teenagers do not want to do chores when they're, look here, we link the ideas, their parents accept them too. Look here, we link the ideas in sentences. Number 2, pronouns help avoid repeating the same word or word. One mother lets her daughter. One mother lets her daughter, okay, see her friends after she finishes the housework. So we can it's a pairing. If you say she, so you can say her daughter, then her friends, then she finished, and so on. Number 3. Demonstrative pronouns like this and that can refer to one word or whole idea. Some teenagers refuse to do their chores. This, look here, we have here this. It refers to one word or the whole idea. So this actually, it refers to the whole idea here. So it refers to all of these words. It's a sentence. Can often lead to conflict. B. Complete the paragraph with the suitable pronouns or possessive adjectives. You have here paragraph, so we will read it and we will complete it. Parents often complain that their teenage, so we have a there because we have here parents. Children spend too much time on the internet. They think that their children, we have here they, which refers to parents, and here there, which refers to the parent. Children should do other activities such as reading books, playing a sport, or doing homework. On the other hand, teenagers feel that their parents, look, we have a here there, their parents do not realize the importance of the internet. For many teenagers, internet is a way to socialize and stay in touch with their friends. Look here there, it refers to teenagers. They also use it here, it refers to the internet, to do research for school assignments. Besides that, teenagers surf the internet to learn about things that interest them and to learn more about the whole in general. Okay, then let's now move to the second page. Then after that, we will take form, meaning, and function, okay? On page 9. Look what do we have here. We have here, as you can see, must and mustn't. The form of the modal verb must is the same for all subjects. So we can use must for she must, he must, they must, I must, for the whole subject. It's followed by the past form of the main verb without to. So look here, we must follow. So here follow is the base form. No id, no ing, no s, nothing, okay? So the verb here is in the past form. No ed here because we have a must, no s, no ing, nothing, without nothing. Why? Because we have a here must. And look here, this is a negative. You mustn't talk during the test, sorry. And this is a negative. You can make also a negative by using must. Look here, must not, or mustn't. Must not, and so on. And also look here, talk is in the past form. No ed, no ing, no s. So the past form of the verb. Why? Because we have a must. So what is the meaning of must? Must, it means you have to do something. It's like a rule. You have to do it, okay? You have to do it. Then after that, look what do we have here. We have here have to, don't have to. So we have, look, we have actually have to, and we have has to, and we have had to. So we use have to with I, you, we, and they. We use has with she, he, and it. Okay? And we use had to with the past. For example, they have to. She has to. Yesterday, I had to. Okay? And if I want to make it a negative, we will use don't or doesn't. Don't or doesn't. If I want to make it negative, okay? Don't or doesn't have to. Don't, as we know, it takes I, we, you, and also they. It doesn't, as we know, it takes she, he, and it. Okay? Clear? Very good. Then we will read the examples that we have here. Look, what do we have here? They, because we have a they, so we will use have to. They have to wear uniform at school. Look here, we have a she. She has to. She has to. Look here, because it is in the past, we say I had to. I had to. Look here, if we want to make a question, as I said, we have to use do because we have a we. Do we have to? And because we have a here a he, so we will use does. Does he have to? And we have a here the past, look here, so we will use did. Did you have to? Okay? Clear? Very good. And also look here, if we want to make it a negative. Negative in the past or in the present. So you don't have to. You don't, it's a negative. He didn't have to yesterday. We use here didn't because yesterday in the past. Then look, what do we have here? Exercise A. Complete the sentences with has to, must, or mustn't. We have here 8 sentences. Look, what do we have here? Umar must or has to, you can use both, do his chores. He must not hang out with his friends now. He must not, look here, negative. He must or has to clean the kitchen, clean up the kitchen. Number 4, must or has to wash the dishes. Number 5, he must or has to clean the floor. 6, he must or has to take out the garbage. 7, he mustn't talk on the phone now. 8, he mustn't be lazy and irresponsible. Then look, what do we have here? B, complete the sentences with the correct form of must or have to. We have here some sentences. We will complete by using one of these. Number 1, look how long the garage is. We really must. We have here we, so we will use must or have to. Mow the lawn. Number 2, Nora must or has to. We will use has to because we have here Nora. Finish her assignment because it is due tomorrow. 3, we didn't have to go to school yesterday. It was Saturday. Look here, it is yesterday. It is in the past. So we will use didn't in the past. Number 4, you mustn't cross the street when the light is red. Mustn't is a negative. I had to babysit, so I didn't. So it is in the past. So we will use had to. Number 6, what time do we have to? Look here, it's a question, so we will use do we. What time do we have to? And we have to use do because we have a we. Number 7, children eat a healthy, so must or have to because we have a children, it's a plural. Eat a healthy breakfast every morning. 8, mother doesn't have to. Mother, it's a singular like she, doesn't have to cook tonight because we are going out for a dinner. Number 9, how long did you have to wait for the bus this morning? So it is in the past. How long did you have? Number 10, we mustn't forget take out a camera with us on vacation. Look here, mustn't, we mustn't, it's a negative. Okay, my lovely students, actually